Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be guiding you on how to send USDT from your Rabby wallet to your Bybit exchange. So now let's proceed to our Bybit exchange account. So I will come here. Now I'm already inside my Bybit app. I will click on USDT. Once it opens, click on deposit because I'm actually sending from a Rabby wallet to this account. Now, I will proceed to select the network I'm sending from. I'm sending from BEP20. So I'll proceed to copy my address. Slide to confirm. Done. Then copy my wallet address, my USDT wallet address on BEP20 network. Then I'll proceed to my Rabby wallet. Then this is my Rabby wallet. Then I'll go to the wallet I want to use. Then once it opens, I'll click on USDT. Then I'll click on send. Then I'll paste the wallet address I'm sending to. Always take note of the deposit address and the address you're receiving to. So you don't make mistakes. So you click on confirm. Then confirm. You can see it's already Bybit deposit address. Then confirm. Then once you are done typing your password, click on confirm. Once it opens, I will click on maximum. Then I'll click on send. Then I'll click, you can see the transaction fee because it's on chain. So I have to pay for transaction fee. I can actually try to reduce it. This is fast. I can reduce it to normal. So the transaction fee can actually reduce. Then I'll click on confirm. Then transaction is actually successful. It's actually gone. So then you can see the deposit confirmed. So let's check. Then you can see I've received my USDT. So that is it, guys. If this guide actually helped you, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more crypto tips like this. Bye.